What up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Did you know that you can increase your credit score by watching TV? I know this sounds crazy, but it's a fact. Consumers can now include their Netflix, HBO, Starz, Hulu, and Disney Plus on-time payment history on their Experian Boost accounts, which can help improve their credit scores. Experian Boost is a free service that helps you improve your credit score by paying monthly bills on time. Prior to the Netflix, HBO, Starz, Hulu, and Disney Plus edition, you could only add utility and phone bills, including internet, cable, gas, electric and water bills. Plans to expand to additional streaming providers are also in the works. In just over a year, more than 4 million consumers have already connected their accounts to Experian Boost, resulting in over 29 million points boosted to date. On average, users see a 13-point increase in their FICO score 8, based on Experian data. Results may vary and you may not see an improvement in your score. Also, this service doesn't affect your credit score with the other two credit bureaus, Equifax and TransUnion. How Experian Boost works. Getting credit for eligible bills with Experian Boost is easy and free. Simply follow these 3 steps. Connect the bank accounts you use to pay your bills. Choose and verify the positive payment data you want added to your Experian credit file. Receive an updated FICO score. You can link positive payment data as far back as 24 months. Late payments aren't reported through this service, however you should pay any outstanding bills as soon as possible since your creditor can send negative information to the credit bureaus. Other features of Experian Boost include access to your Experian credit report and FICO score, both updating every 30 days. You'll also receive Experian credit monitoring and alerts for changes on your credit report, such as new account openings in your name and balance updates. Additional financial tools from Experian. Experian is now offering a new financial management hub inside the CreditWorks Basic and Premium products. The basic plan is free and the premium costs $4.99 the first month, then $24.99 each month after. This hub can help you manage your spending and offers financial tips to keep you on track. Some key features include account balance monitoring and alerts, recommendations on how to lower bills and manage debt, such as using a balance transfer card, categorization of spending, trending data for net worth, income and cash flow, targeted savings opportunities and personalized savings estimates based on your credit file are expected to be added in the near future. I only recommend adding Experian Boost to your credit account if you have little to no credit and you need the additional score to help your credit. Remember that your TransUnion and Equifax credit score will not improve. Now that you know, take action and go get that money.